Hello everyone, Brennan here from Steve the Springtails, and as you can see here, I'm planning on moving these two succulents out of this because they haven't been looking too happy, and I'm going to try to put this vine in there, and I guess this too, because I don't want to keep it in there with what I'm planning on doing. But anyway, I found this vase. Hope it will do. It'll be a better home for them. Basically, all I did was do a false layer with rocks, and then in here's the charcoal layer, and I had to use that crappy screen thing I got. I just filled it up to here. I put some, I don't really know what kind of moss it is, but it doesn't really have a root system or anything. Put some of that in there. Just as like an experiment. I don't know. Maybe it'll grow up. Who knows? But anyway, I'm just gonna. Oh no, there it is. Okay. So first, I'm just gonna throw that in there somewhere. I'm not really too worried about that. It's just like a little piece. So I'm gonna put this guy right in there like that. This one I'm gonna put right in here. Just put some dirt over it. I think for this one I'm just gonna throw it. Just try to move this maybe this way a little bit. I'm just gonna put it right in here. Take that out. Just bury it a little bit. I'm hoping that it will grow, so I can let it grow all around my room. That's the plan, at least. I'm not sure. I think I'm just gonna throw this right down the middle, just like that. But I'm only planning on watering this like once or twice a week, probably once. So I'm not sure how well the ivy will do. I'll probably take it out if it doesn't seem to be doing too well. That's what it's gonna look like. And my plan with this is gonna be a cool idea. I'm not sure how well it's gonna turn out. But I'll be right back to show you what I'm gonna do. Alright everyone, I'm back. And you'll see here, I've put a bunch of my rabbit's droppings in there. And I'm gonna put a whole bunch of springtails in there. So they'll eat it down, break it down, turn it into better dirt, I guess, because the dirt in here just doesn't really seem all that good. I'm not sure if there's any springtails actually in there still. There could be. I'm not sure, but I just threw this stuff on top, and we're just gonna put some more springtails in there. So yeah, let's do that. Okay. Sorry about that. It was getting a little bit hard. I almost spilled the water. But I'm just gonna drain some of this water back in here. Because I don't need all that much water in this rabbit poop terrarium, I guess is what I'm gonna call it. But here we are. Just gonna can see him crawling around in there already. Hopefully they'll love all this poop. Let's see, anything else in there? Oh, there's plenty in there. Okay, well, I think what I'm gonna do then is my signature method of getting them out. That should do it. I don't know. Well, so there's that. I'm just gonna, I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. If I'm gonna, I would like to do a time lapse sometime. Oh shit. Jesus Christ, okay. Sorry, I almost dropped it. Yeah, I would like to do a time lapse sometime of it, of the Springtails going at the poop, bunny poop. I think that'd be pretty cool. Obviously, I gotta wait a little bit until their population really catches back. But I think it will be really cool to watch them just turn all this poop into dirt, and then I'm gonna replant them. Replant, I don't know what yet, but something in here. And yeah, as you can see, there's like some of her bedding, her fur too, some food there too, God knows what else. But yeah, I think eventually, once they start eating all that, it'll look real cool. Let's see, can I don't know how I'll do a time lapse, but I'll have to figure it out. Maybe, kinda, can't really see anything there. See Springtail moving though. Over the top. Anyway, yeah, I guess that's basically it for this video. Just close that back up. I was gonna say, there was something else I wanted to say, I forget what it is now though. But, yeah, so anyway, if you like this video, like and comment down below. Subscribe to see some more. We got some more content. It's all about terrariums and Springtails. Anyway, I'll catch you in the next one.